Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga by the Window. My name is Claudia. Today we are doing a seated flow. You may need a pillow or something soft underneath your knees if they're feeling sensitive today, but that's it. Let's get started. Let's begin in the center of your mat in a cross-legged seated position. Inhale, reach your fingertips up towards the sun. Open your heart. Exhale, dive your fingertips forward, sliding your hands along your mat, folding forward. Inhale, look forward. Open your heart. Exhale, tuck your chin in towards your chest. Hunch your back as we're doing a cat-cow in the seated position. Move through a few more rounds of these cat-cows at your own pace, moving with your breath and your body today. As you hunch your back in cat position this time, slide your fingertips away from your knees, moving into a forward fold. If your knees are feeling sensitive, you can uncross your ankles and straighten your legs out in front of you. Slide your fingertips up to meet your knees, uncross your ankles, and straighten out your knees in front of you. Inhale, reach your hands high up into the sun. Cross your right ankle over your left and fold forward. Draw a line up your legs and behind you with all 10 fingers facing towards your glutes. Bend your left and your right knees, placing your right ankle on top of your left thigh. In this figure 4 stretch, open your heart and take a deep breath in and out, moving your right knee away from your body. If this is too intense, you can straighten out your left knee, keeping your right ankle on your left thigh, and just remain in a seated position. Shift your gaze to your right foot, twisting over to your left side. Place your right foot over your left and twist into your right side. Perhaps place your left elbow on the outside of your right knee and remain with your right hand behind your hips. Look over your left shoulder, placing your left hand and then your right, twisting into your tabletop position. Align your tabletop, knees under hips and wrists under shoulders. Bend your elbows, guiding your heart onto the ground. Straighten your legs out behind you and untuck your toes. Guide your heart forward and up into an upward facing dog, keeping your elbows bent slightly. Engage your glutes and engage your core. Shift your gaze to the mat, lowering your chest. Hinge your hips towards your ankles and sit onto your left hip, making your way into a seated position with your legs straight out in front of you. Place your left ankle on top of your right. Take a deep breath to sit tall and reach your hands up. Exhale, fold over your legs. Slide your hands along your legs, placing them behind you, bending both knees, placing your left ankle on top of your right thigh. Fingertips facing either towards your glutes or outwards. Open your heart in this figure four position. Again, if this is uncomfortable, straighten out your right leg and simply sit taller so that you can still feel a stretch in your left hip, but your right knee is not bent. Shift your gaze to your right side, guiding yourself onto your right hip with your left foot over in a twisted position. Perhaps place your right elbow on the outside of your left knee and twist a bit deeper into your left side. Over to your right shoulder, placing your right followed by your left hand on the mat, twisting through your right side into a downward facing dog. Take a moment to breathe, really pressing your palms, all 10 fingers into the mat. Raise your left heel for a moment, pressing your right heel into the mat, and then switch. Shift your weight onto the balls of both of your feet, bending your knees, moving into a tabletop position. Remain with your toes tucked. Place your left forearm on the mat and reach your right hand up and into the sun. Feel that beautiful stretch in your armpit, your entire right side, your pec, your ribs, your back. As you pull your right fingertips away, press your right knee into the mat so you can feel a stretch all the way from your right toes to your right fingertips. Guide your right fingertips back down, forearm on the mat. Reach your left hand up and into the sun. As you exhale deeply, press your left knee into the mat as your left fingertips reach far away. Lower your left hand, slide your right forearm further out towards the right side. Come to sit on your right hip, stretching out your right pec. You can keep your knees stacked or place your left toes behind your right hamstring. Placing your left foot behind your right is a more advanced position, so please be mindful, and if it doesn't feel good, come right back to knees stacked. Guide your weight forward onto your left hand, guiding your right forearm towards your body into sitting position onto your left hip. Bend your left elbow, placing your forearm behind you. Right fingertips in front of your chest for support, and lie on your left side. You can remain with your knees stacked or place your right ball of your foot behind your left hamstring. Place your weight forward into your right hand, guiding yourself to sit on your left hip, twisting through tabletop and onto your heels. If this is uncomfortable, you can straighten your legs out in front of you or sit in a cross-legged seated position. Take this last minute to breathe. Listen to the sounds of the ocean, how they freely flow. Each wave is unique and peaceful and beautiful, as are you. If your eyes were closed, slowly blink them open. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. I thank you so much for practicing with me today. If you want a few more minutes, pause the video here. However, if you're ready to move on with the day, I hope it is full of love, light, opportunity, and success. Please share this video with anyone who you think may enjoy or need it, and I'll see you soon.